If you own a Jeep YJ, you know how fast seats get wrecked by sun, mud, and trail dust. A solid set of seat covers can save your interior and totally freshen up your ride. In this video, we're checking out the best Jeep YJ seat covers for tough, stylish, and easy to clean. Links to all products are in the description below. Let's kick things off with the GEARFLAG neoprene seat covers. These bad boys are made from the same genuine wetsuit-grade neoprene, 3 mm thick CR-grade material that's waterproof, dirt-proof, and even sandproof. They fit the YJ seats like a glove and make your interior look clean and rugged at the same time. Reviews rave about how easy they are to clean, just wipe and go, even after a muddy trail day. Plus, they've got storage pockets on the back of the front seats, which is a lifesaver for a YJ's limited cabin space. They're tough, weather-resistant, and perfect for year-round adventures. Next up, the diver down seat covers. These are another custom-fit set made specifically for the Wrangler YJ, and they feel plush. Seriously, the padding gives that soft, cushioned vibe while still being super durable. The neoprene keeps you cool on hot days and warm in the winter, just right for daily drives or long hauls. You can even pick from 7 different inner panel colors to match your ride style. Installation, a breeze, straps, buckles, and hook and loop fasteners mean you'll have them on in minutes, no tools needed. And yeah, you still keep all your seat functions and get those handy map pockets on the back. Finally, we've got the rough country seat covers, and these are all about that perfect blend of protection and factory-style looks. Tailored for the 1987 to 1995 YJ, they've got a 4-layer build, foam padding, protective polyester, and water-resistant neoprene that stands up to years of use. They fit tight, don't slide around, and protect against everything from coffee spills to pet claws. The breathable material keeps things comfy on long drives, and Rough Country backs them up with a 2-year warranty. It's a clean, factory-style fit that keeps your Jeep's vibe original, but refreshed. So whether you're after rugged trail protection, extra comfort, or a factory-style refresh, these seat covers have you covered. Check the links in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Jeep gear reviews. Keep your seats clean and your YJ mean.